ito at mga maharap. Hindi po ganon. Ang ibig sabihin that you are part of this nation. That you want to know everything. Katulad ni John the Baptist, paano siya nabuhay. Hindi mo na kinakailangan malaman pa. Hindi mo na kinakailangan malaman pa kung sino ang biyanan ni San Pedro. Hindi mo na kinakailangan malaman pa kung paano si Thomas ay wala yung unang magpakita si Jesus sa kanyang muling pagkabuhay. No. Simple lang po that you are part of this mission. Sabi nga in our gospel, the harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. Pray therefore to the Master to send more laborers into His harvest. At ano yung gagawin natin para kayo kasama? You belong also to this kind of mission of Jesus. Simple lang po, you must be a living witnesses of Jesus. Mga buhay na saksi ng ating Panginoon. And how to do that? Paano gagawin na maging buhay na saksi ni Jesus? Kayo. First, by giving the gospel. Kung ano sinasabi ng Ebanghelyo, live it. Second, by living the truth. Be true to yourselves so that God will be